Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use AI to write the viral TikTok captions in 2026 with real prompt examples that you can copy and use right now. So these captions will help your video reach more people and boost the engagement fast. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open the application of that particular AI which you want to use this for this purpose. So currently I'm going to be using ChatGPT, but you can also give the same prompt in Gemini or any other AI tool. You just have to clearly explain the type of the video in your prompt. So over here in this section, you just have to start giving it the caption prompt. It can be something like this. Write a short TikTok caption for a dance challenge video, fun and energetic. You can also tweak this particular prompt a little bit and as per your niche, and it is going to give you a caption which is not only short to the point, but it has also given you some of the trending hashtags. So you can just directly copy this particular caption and start using it in your videos. Now the second prompt that can be relating to the keywords. So it is basically going to be more SEO friendly. So here the prompt can look something like this. Write an SEO TikTok caption for a drawing tutorial using the keywords like drawing tips, easy art, and relating to 2026. So it is going to give you or generate the prompt for you again. So here you can copy this particular caption and start using it. And since this particular caption is more SEO friendly, it is going to basically create a chances of your video going viral as well. So you can also ask ChatGPT or any other AI for more variations. So here you can give the prompt something like, give me 5 caption variations for fitness workout video. It should be funny, motivational and trendy. So when you hit enter, it is going to give you 5 variations. So you can just choose any one of these and stick with it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.